Today we'll talk about how can you scan to unlock on your Lemap. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to scan your QR code to unlock on your Lemap. So all you have to do inverse, you just go down, you click here on scan, you just click on it. So when you click on scan, it's going to show for you like this. When you just click on will using the app, then it's going to show for you your camera and can you scan to unlock on your here on your Lemap. So that's all you have to do to scan your here on your app. That's all I wish know you I give it. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.